네, 아버지들이 주셔서 다 아주 사셨사고 니가와 차지가로데 돈에 너희 음악 자외도 자와 자야 추기 대주야 소디 이다 냠고래 마오바 툰다 법자 주야도 시간하신 게 현진 제약이 뭔가 먹어야 소디 제약이 배우 괜찮이 너무
Okay, here's Marlon Smith Stoner here. It's from Southern California. How are you, Marlon?
I'm great. We just arrived yesterday, had a wonderful night and a great morning. And we're getting ready today to for the clinic that's going to start in a day, and so we're all good.
So we can hear the workers still working outside with the buildings. But we are having breakfast, lunch here. Just I want to see how Marlon. We had over 40 hours travel. Got here. We thought it would be exhausted, but we are so excited.
Oh, it's so wonderful.
Yeah, so we have a blast here.
So here's the children from the school behind us, and they live here all the time. They're a little bit ahead of schedule, but that's who you see in the background. Just darling children that are going to have some English lessons later and their own lessons with the Tibetan alphabet and other things that they do here. So the work is ongoing.
All right. Thank you, Marlon. That's wonderful. They rigged the ribbon at the gate.
Himalaya Zambulingi jere Shenolad nindo Lani Himalaya chaye Shenolad nindo Lani Himalaya chaye.
Okay, here's our tukula here. So we are starting a ribbon cutting ceremony for the Odiyana Clinic. Hey, Tuku. Is that right, tukula?
Yes. Today we do the opening ceremony for our Odiyan.
Thank you, tukula.
Himalaya jaye
participating, and Nawundawa Rinpoche is around here. So we're going to do a ribbon cutting ceremony for the Odiyana Clinic. So we're excited. He's a very spiritual teacher. So we're going to give a few minutes and start the ribbon cutting.
So what are you holding?
Holding scissors and a blessing. So the blessing the land and also the clinic. So we're ready to cut the ribbon.
All right.
主母呀路。 라니 프리분 다주유 슈누마드로데 라니 프리분 다주유 주소 프리분 다 프리분 다 우카리 존지제이
California. I live in yeah, and so now I get to come do this stuff. So I'm retired. These two who can't get rid of me now.
How many months have you spent here? In a month?
This is my first visit
Oh, this is
here.
your first visit?
Yes, and I'm coming back early.
We passed inspection.
That's wonderful. Odiyana Clinic.
Hey, did you get that on the camera?
Huh?
Yeah, delete that video.
Which one? How was your day?
It was good. We came and did just what we came to do.
That's wonderful. So there's a Tibetan doctor over there, pulse, check the pulse, with
Excellent
medicine.
Tibetan doctor who has done an amazing job today. An amazing job.
How about American doctor? How did she do
Coming
it?
along. Definitely part of the support staff.
Absolutely, you do an excellent job as well.
Yeah.
For sure, 100%. Thank you very much.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Do you want to switch to English? Yeah, switch to English. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. I asked them if they wanted to write them. They were like, no. Okay. I don't think he knows what that means, but I'll tell him, especially since I'm aware. Yeah, it looks worse. So I think antibiotics don't heal. Yeah, they're gonna
just have a Superman.
It's so painful. Vague confusion, and he was like, Gabe just didn't have the list on. He was like pointing to me, and I was like, I don't know what you mean. And then he was like, oh, and then just stopped. That's a good one. Extending that.
Good job, yeah.
That's right.
Yes.
What are you doing?
We're doing math. We're doing plus and minus right now.
Wonderful. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday, and tomorrow actually, tomorrow is health camp. We start here, Odiyana Clinic. It's incredible, so many people showed up, but there's a lot of patients, a lot of people want to see it. So in the clinic we had one Tibetan doctor who's from a Tibetan medical institute in Dharamsala. They came here, provided a Tibetan medicine and a Tibetan doctor's diagnosis. Also, we had an American nurse here who diagnosed American Western medicine. So there are a lot of patients come here. We had a health camp, and we're gonna do some assessment, see what type of health care we should provide around this area. So we're so excited, so many people today, and I'm thrilled. Right now I'm have a cup of chai. And in the afternoon, so it's a sunset in the background. It's so wonderful to see this, so it's amazing. Here's Tuku. Talk to you soon.
아주 사샤사바 리강라 차지자부들 소은의 뇌 bomba 자외도 잡아 자야 추기 대주야 소디 이다 냠불에 마오바 툰다 법다 주야도 가나신게 menjin 벤치하게 뭔가 먹어야 돈이 벤치하게 배우 자기 너무
उसके साथ ही आज इस प्रोग्राम और अन्य ब्याह वाला समय में भी यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम कुछ हुआ था और उसमें भी रिमुची ने ऑलरेडी इसमें सभी को बताए गए हैं
apa cerita ni bagi kita ayah ini tak ini dua cerita atau do kali muda arendo siapa ni masuk gini deh sudah member tujuh orang Honda yang baru ini Honda baru juga tangan itu tenang jisu yang ini ini kamu juga nete lagi berge berme kita sih cina bagi nena yang tinggi lingkungan yang juga Odiyana Clinic di Juni cina bagi
आप सभी को इन्फॉर्मेशन हुआ है और ये
Himalaya Zambulingi jere Shenolad nindo Lani Himalaya chaye Shenolad nindo Lani Himalaya chaye Odiyan